Hey yo, what is going on guys? This is your boy Michael Emery here bringing you a fitness video. Now I do get a lot of requests and a lot of questions pretty much asking me what are the workouts that I'm doing at home to be able to try to maintain some kind of physical fitness without having any kind of weights or anything like that. So essentially every workout you guys see in this video you'll be able to do without any kind of weights. It's going to be all body weight and all body interaction. Now listen guys, I don't want you to hurt yourself. I don't know how you guys' physical fitness levels are, but make sure you guys try to stay safe as possible. Make sure you stretch before every workout and also make sure you do whatever is in your physical comfortability. Now keep in mind I did just finish an outdoors workout, so I'm a little bit sluggish and a little bit tired right now. However, I still wanted to record this video for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the most important things you have to make sure you're doing when you work out is make sure that you stretch before you do anything. The last thing you want to do is hurt yourself before you start your workout and while you're actually working out. It doesn't matter if you're running or weight training, you always want to make sure you loosen your body up, make sure you loosen up your tendons and everything before you start to do any kind of working out. The first workout I'm going to show you guys is what's called the high knees. Now the high knees are a really great workout, especially for your legs. You're also going to get a pretty good cardiovascular workout with these as well. One of the main things you want to do with these is make sure that you're squeezing your abs extremely tight while you're doing them, so that way you can get a good ab pump. The next workout is going to be a classic, and it's going to be the jumping jacks. One of the main keys I can give you guys with jumping jacks is make sure that you're breathing and make sure you control your breathing. I know a lot of people out there, they do jumping jacks and they kind of hold their breath on it. Make sure you guys are controlling your breathing. Again, this is a very basic and very common workout from way back when, but just make sure you guys are breathing correctly when you're doing them. The next workout is going to be the burpee. Now the burpee is actually a pretty crazy workout to do. It's one of those workouts that no matter how fit you are, it's going to hurt no matter what. There's actually a couple of different ways that you can do this, guys, and there's a lot of different assisted ways as well. With these, if you want to do an assisted version of it, essentially what you want to do is instead of doing the jump up that you see me doing, kind of come up to your feet and kind of push your lower back out so that you're squeezing your lower back. You don't actually have to jump up to the roof. Essentially, you really want to limit these to doing these of set to 10 at the most, because again, you want to make sure you're getting really good and really controlled burpees out. You don't want to kind of just be throwing out a really bad burpee and have bad form. And for the more fit people out there, go ahead and challenge yourself and throw out more push-ups in there as well. As you can see, I'm doing a couple of extra push-ups at the end of the set here. The next workout is going to be the standing lunges. Make sure when you guys do these, again, it's so important to stretch. I've actually had times where I didn't stretch before I did lunges and I always hurt my hamstrings. So I'm actually doing a couple of different versions of lunges here. I'm going to do a close lunge where I'm not going to be lunging out that far. And then later on in the set, you're going to see me do some extended lunges where I'm actually getting deeper in there and working my hamstrings more. There's actually a variation of the lunges that I'm going to show you guys, and essentially it's a jumping version of the lunges, and every time you jump up and come down, you're going to be switching sides. Now, this is another workout just with the burpees that these are going to hurt pretty quickly, so make sure you guys are limiting how many you're doing. Don't hurt yourself, but definitely don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Now, the next workout is going to be the push-up. Now, this first version of the push-up I'm going to show you guys is actually going to be a wider grip push-up. With this, you want to make sure that you're not going too wide to the point where you're going to hurt your shoulders or your back, but a pretty good width so that way you're actually challenging yourself. Now I'm going to show you guys the normal width push-up. It's actually going to be the shoulder width apart, where your hands are actually going to be right close to where your shoulders are. This is actually the most common area where people do push-ups. Now for the more advanced people out there, these are going to be the diamond push-ups. Obviously the diamond push-ups are very hard to do. A lot of people can't do them. However, if you guys are working up to them, don't be afraid to challenge yourself. And you guys that are actually in shape and are fit, definitely do not be afraid to throw these out. Now I'm going to show you guys what an assisted push-up looks like. Now, if you guys are struggling with push-ups out there and you can't do any, definitely be sure to try these assisted ones. Essentially, you want to put your knees on the ground and use your arms to guide you down. Now this workout is going to be the tricep dip. Pretty much you can go to any surface, anything that's kind of hard. Obviously you see I'm using my couch here because I have to improvise. As you can see, as I'm doing this workout, it's really activating the extension of my triceps. The last workout is going to be the Superman stretch. Essentially what you want to do is lay on the ground and you're going to use your arms and your legs and pull them up as far towards the middle of your back as you can. Essentially with this workout, it's going to work your lower back and also your butt. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I really hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want to see me do a video that's kind of based on the same thing, except we're going to be using a simple weight set, be sure to leave a comment and be sure to leave a like on this video. And also, do not forget to subscribe, guys. I will see you in the next video. Good luck with your home workouts.